to keep falling and keep rising, even when you are battered, bruised, injured. That's the beauty of this game. So, ladies and gentlemen, the show must go on. We must keep going. And it is very good to see Pakistan reclaiming its glory. And please promise me, all Pakistanis sitting here, please promise me that you will always hold the flag, the Pakistani green and white flag, high. You will never let your country down. Congratulations to all the 16 countries that have participated in this beautiful competition. Congratulations, England. Congratulations, Thailand. And congratulations, Pakistan. Very well done. And please say with me, Pakistan! Pakistan Hamesha Zindabad. Pakistan Hamesha Zindabad. And well done. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a night we've had, and let's transition towards the results. Kelly beat Mewpong in